Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be trying Jake's Playtime Fun Pack. Let's crack it open and give it a try and see what we got this time. All up and personal.
What were you doing? Fun pack.
Ooh, that smell of that plastic was a good smell. Let's see what we got. We got
Ooh.
2 lollipops.
Like last time.
And some jelly fruit. We're definitely gonna be trying these.
Mean.
And we got a big pack
Ooh.
of some
Light up
balloons that, well, I guess you can't hit each other with them, but they light up and they're princesses. Here's what they look like before you blow them up and pull off the tab and light them up. The light up balloons didn't unfortunately work, but they did some blow up, but did not light up. Bib me.
Maybe. Hey, on the bright side, no more budget cut.
Yeah, we got longer bibs.
Okay.
Longer bibs. Let's give these jelly rhinos a try. Let's see if these are jelly delicious.
Whoa. Whoa, big splash. Wow.
This one, they're both sweet, taste like paper towel, rhinily delicious, and bussin'.